Hi children, this is the fourth phonics lesson of the week. This is lesson for year 1 children, so if you are in year 1 in Forest class or Matthew class, this lesson is for you. I hope you are all well. I tried to call lots of you yesterday, but I only got through to a few. I did speak to Holly though. It was very nice having a chat with Holly. If you didn't speak to me, you should ask your grown-ups if they'd like to call the school at all, just to let us know how you're getting on. It's really good for me to find out what you think about these lessons like this, if you're understanding it or you're finding it hard, if I'm speaking too loudly or too slowly or too quickly, so I know how well you're responding to them. Anyway, so today in lesson 4, we are going to go over one of our split digraph sounds. So we're not going to learn a new sound today, we're going to revisit some sounds. So this is the sound we're going to revisit today. It's the O sound, and it's for phone home. There's the alien speaking to his mum. Hello, mum. Phoning home. So some of the O words, some of the words that have this O sound in them are home and hope and rose and spoke and note and broke and stole and rope. Well done. So we're just going to have a little quick practice of writing some of those words. So can you get your whiteboard and your pen and pause the video if you need to do that now. And then we're going to have a go at writing them. So the first word I'd like you to write using this O sound is hope. Remember to do a link under the O and the E to show that it's the O sound and that they are joined. Hope. Hope. If you need to pause the video at any time, if I'm going too quickly, please feel free to do so. Your hope word should look like that. A dot under the H and the P, and a line joining up the O and the E. Hope. And the next word that I'd like you to write is rose. 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 There we go. Rose. Rose. Well done. Again, I went quite quickly with that one, so pause it if you need to have a go at writing it before you check to see if you've got it right. And the next word I'd like you to write is broke. I broke a window. Broke. Broke. Okay, there is broke. Give yourselves a tick if it looks like that. And the next word I'd like you to write is home. We are spending lots of time at home. Home. There you go. Home. Well done. Putting the dots under the O and the M. Okay, and the last word I'd like you to have a go at writing is note. I have written you a note. A note is like a short letter. N-O-T. Note. There you go. There is note. Well done. So if you need some more time just to practice writing those, do feel free to go back and hear me saying them again. Right. This week we will have emailed you some different things to do as well. So you will have to ask your grown-up if they got that email. And one of the things that I emailed you was name the alien. So if you don't have a printer, it's fine if they can just show you this on your laptop or on your computer, whatever you're watching this on. And the way that we're doing it is we're just practicing making up some names of aliens, and then you can colour in the pictures however you want. Now again, it's difficult if you haven't got a printer and you haven't been able to print it off, but what you could do is you could have a go at first of all writing all of these different sounds. So if you have a whiteboard or maybe a piece of paper, get that clear and ready now. And I'm going to hold this up here so you can see all the different sounds. If that's too difficult to do, the other thing you could do is you could take it from this that you have. So you could find that in your pack and I want you to have a go at writing maybe 6 or 7 of these sounds in a list on your whiteboard or on your paper. And then I want you to add the sounds g, t and p, g, t and p. Okay? G, t and p. So maybe write those now. And also put in sh and ch. Sh and ch. Okay? Sh and ch. So a selection of the set 2 and 3 sounds, sh and ch and g, t and p. So you should have all of those written. It won't look like that because you'll do it in your writing on the whiteboard or on a piece of paper. And then what I would like you to do is to practice creating a little alien. So what you could do now is you could have a go. So there's some ideas at drawing a little alien. So I'll have a go at drawing one to show you how I would do it. So here's my alien. It's got a funny bubbly body. He's got 3 eyes, some really funny ears, alien ears, and 3 legs. Okay? If you did it on a piece of paper, you could colour it in. I've done it on the whiteboard, but you could then colour it in. Then, with your sounds, you're going to have a go at then choosing 3 sounds to create an alien. So I'm going to choose G as one side. So it's going to start with a G. I'm going to name him. It starts with a G. Then I'm going to choose an E for cup of tea. And then I'm going to choose the Ch. And I'm going to go back and read it. So that is a G, E, Ch. Geech. That's a really weird name, isn't it? A geech. I wonder what the geech is like. You can then think about a fact about yours. So this is a geech, and he likes to eat mashed potato. Okay? A geech that likes to eat mashed potato. Then, when you finish that, I'd like you to go back and do another one. So you can draw a different alien. Okay? You can make it look differently. So if I was going to draw a different one, it's got some funny face there. And you could have like tail instead of feet. And then you'd go back and choose a sound. I'm going to choose a p this time. Then I'm going to choose a middle sound. I'll have an oi. And the end sound, I'll have a sh. A p, oi, sh. A poish. And this poish really likes to whistle. It's a poish that whistles lots. Okay, so that is your activity for today, children. So have a go and have some fun making up some funny little aliens using your sounds that you've learnt so well. Okay, well done, children. See you tomorrow. Bye.